I'm gonna break the window. Get out. Get out the car. I'm gonna break. Get the fuck out the car!
On the night of April 12th, 2026, what began as a routine disturbance call at a local store was about to escalate into something far more dangerous. Officers had every reason to believe this woman posed an immediate threat, not just to herself, but to everyone around her. She was drunk behind the wheel and moments away from making a decision that would change everything.
She came.
She knocked something over here?
A little bit this.
Oh, it fell down?
Yeah, she pushed it and I noticed that she was drunk. Then we saw it by the camera. She started talking with this guy and she pulled her skirt up and we saw her all the G-string and all that anyway. And then I started hearing her that she started talking to them. And then I said to her, please leave. I told her like this, I said, please leave because you're very drunk and you're driving. Don't touch me. And she started saying, don't touch me. This and all the bad words in the world.
Let's do something here. How's it going?
Mercedes-Benz is already drunk. Be careful.
¿Qué pasa? Su phone for you, clear. Ma'am.
Only 7348 New County.
I'm recording too, so don't worry.
2348 New County.
What happened in the store? Seawater 414. It's gonna be actually a 34 with a female. Now that I'm have her in the side of white Mercedes SUV.
Just on signal updated. Verify I can hear you.
It's gonna be a temporary tag. Echo Alpha Hotel 6526. Go!
Just on verify I can hear you.
Sure, just hold the air. Open the door.
Oh, you're okay.
Open the door.
This is the moment the situation crossed a line. The second a suspect uses a vehicle to flee from law enforcement, the calculus changes entirely. That car is no longer just transportation, it becomes a weapon. And in the next 50 seconds of silence on this recording, an officer would learn that the hard way.
The car she gave me, she went in there and caused a 34. She apparently said that she was intoxicated. She locked herself in the car. Watch out. Open, ma'am. Hold the air. Ma'am.
Are you okay?
Stop the car. Stop the.
Watch out! Watch out, no, hold on. I'll get in front of you.
Shit.
Well, one thing the drivers on the front between the vehicle, around the side.
Did you leave the scene or like?
Left the station going west on
Just on westbound on 3rd Street, we have a female in a white Mercedes tag, Echo Alpha Hotel 6526, Echo Alpha Hotel 6526. Just hit 241 to verify your carrier, do you need higher?
I'm curious, yeah, I was out of the vehicle.
Yes, thank you. Do you still have visual?
Hold the air. We got her here at the corner. She hit me with the vehicle too. Stop the car! Get out! I'm gonna break the window. I'm gonna break the window. Get out! Get out the car. I'm gonna break. Get the fuck out the car! Let's go! Fucking hit me with the car! Hit an officer in the other car!
Josh and Sebo.
Cancel there, 110, 1 2351. Verify computer and right.
Do not do that. Ow!
I have a female for a pat down.
Let me go.
You're not gonna go anywhere.
Female unit this week. We're gonna be on 109 Avenue Southwest 3rd Street. Reference on female background.
Can you please let me go?
Where
Let me go.
you're gonna go? Yes.
What are you holding me back?
But you're gonna go to jail. That's where you're gonna go.
What do you mean?
You're gonna go to jail. Okay?
Why?
Because you don't hit a police officer.
I didn't hit no one. Baby, I didn't hit no one.
Let me see if we get our ID in the car.
Here, Mike. Right here, Mike.
You want to put it in the back of the car? Yeah. Get off the floor there.
I need your all unit. I can assist references pass on with 3 water at 109 and 3 Street.
It's in
Can you
the
get Eddie?
rescue's on the way. She's
I need
bleeding.
to talk to the sergeant.
So leave
I
it.
need to talk to the sergeant right now.
Traffic 20, right?
I need to talk to the sergeant right now.
Who is she? 34 with that?
Right now.
I've seen in there.
You guys are fucking
She's
rookies.
intoxicated. I tried to
No,
talk to
you're
her.
a rookie.
You're
Y'all
hit me with the
are
car.
rookies.
She clipped
Get the fuck out of my face. I need to talk to the sergeant right
Can you go
now.
over there and get the
Right now.
information from the person that she was
Hold
34
my
with?
face.
and 109.
My amendment.
So she
Right
was
now.
working with somebody in there.
I played the face. I played my face.
Said she was intoxicated, so I posted
No,
the picture. She
no,
was okay.
no, you didn't. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Eddie. I played my fifth.
She's wait for fire rescue.
That's fine.
'Cause she's bleeding a lot.
Because you fucking guys threw me down to the fucking floor. What do you expect? You assholes. Man. Look. Can you please help me? Can you please help me?
Stay there, man.
You guys are the worst, man.
2 water 4 Zempo from 24.
Can I talk to Eddie right now? The sergeant?
They should be open.
Can I talk to Eddie right now? You're fucking. You guys fucking hurt me. You guys hurt me. I need hospital.
34 and 3 and 109.
I'm bleeding right now.
Or do we need another beach?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Eddie. Please help me.
Huh?
Fire?
I need the
Yeah.
hospital right now.
109.
They hurt me right now. Can you please help me, please?
I'm sorry, 5106. Good night.
Why you hurt me like that? Why did you hurt me? Why did you hurt me? I'm bleeding.
325. Oh, 906. Thank you, ma'am. Have a good night.
Help me. Eddie. Can I please call my parents? Someone. Eddie.
I don't think okay.
Please help me. Please help me.
Yo, we're gonna help you.
I'm so sorry. Please help me. I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding. They hurt me. They hurt me.
Okay, listen up. What's going on?
They hurt me.
Okay, what hurts? What hurts?
Everything.
Okay, do you want to go to the hospital? Do you want to go to the hospital?
They hurt me.
Okay, do you want to go to the hospital?
Get away from me. Can you get them away from me?
Listen.
Can you get them away from me, please? Can you get them away from me, please?
What's your name, dear?
Look, can you get them away? They're showing the lights. Can you please help me?
Listen, the light is so that we can see what's going on with you. What hurts you?
Everything hurts.
Okay. Do you want to go to the hospital?
No.
Are you sure?
No, you're good.
Okay.
Sorry
We're
about
just
that.
gonna check your vital signs. Can we check your vital signs?
Can you get me off this shit? Can you please get me off this shit?
What happened?
They hurt me. They hurt me. They really hurt me.
But what happened? Can you describe
They
it?
hurt me. They hurt me. Can you please let me go? Can you please let me go? I need to call my parents. I need to call my husband. Please.
You gotta check some vital signs, okay? What's the blood
Can you let me go, please? Please let me go.
Do you remember what happened?
They touched me.
Who's they?
The police officer.
What was going on? Why did they?
Here's where the narrative gets complicated. She's bleeding, she's in pain, and she's terrified. But so was the officer she struck with her vehicle. In moments like these, it's easy to assign blame from the outside. What the footage alone cannot tell us is what was running through every person's mind in those chaotic seconds between the car fleeing and the arrest.
They took me out of nowhere.
Okay, Granny, do you have any medical problems?
No.
Do you have any allergies to medication?
Iodine.
Okay.
Can
You
you
take any
please
medicine?
take me away from them? The police officer.
Do you drink any medicine?
No.
Okay.
Can I get back to my car, please?
Okay.
Well, let's finish with you really quick. Okay, Mama, you got some blood.
They did that.
Mira,
They did that.
make contact with
Can
Castellano.
can you press charges to them,
I'm not a cop
please?
here. I'm just here to try to help
Okay,
you.
can you please press charges to them? Please,
See your foot? Can I see your foot?
please press charges
Can
to
you pick
them.
your foot up for me,
Right now,
please?
no, I can't. I cannot move it. I cannot.
Oh, you're gonna take it.
Can I call my husband, please?
That's not up to
Mike,
us.
do Mira, start doing the tickets, and I'll get with you now so I can get your status
Don't talk to
score.
me
So
right now.
I,
Please do not talk to me. I'm so sorry.
Granny, let him finish. Let him
I'm
take it out.
Very loud music. So I guess you have
Can
to
you
call.
please call my husband, please? They did not help me at all. Please get me out of this. I'm not a criminal. Please get me out of this.
give me the
Oh.
Yambe.
You guys are monsters. You know that, right?
Vitals were good. Okay. Ready?
No, don't charge me, please. I plead the fifth. I need my fucking parents and my family right now. I need my family right now.
You have a case number?
I'm bleeding.
Yeah, get it
I'm
and
bleeding
remember to put it
die.
on the citation.
If I die tonight,
Ready? Listen to me.
if I die tonight,
Ready?
I'm gonna die tonight. Oh my God.
Ready? I need to ask you again. Do you want to go to the hospital? Yes or no?
I need my family right now.
Okay. Your
I need my
family?
family right now.
They're not here right now. So
I
I need you
need
to
my
answer.
fucking, you call my
Yeah,
family. You have the
2044.
right to call my
Do you
family.
want to go to the hospital? Yes or no?
No.
Okay.
Can you call my family, please?
You got anything else for me?
Can you call the family, please? Can you call the, can you call my family, please?
3350.
I need hospital help, please. Can you help me?
9494. Lieutenant Coronado, letters in
Help me, please. I need help.
Mike, this damage here on the car, it's Castellanos.
Yeah, you did that. You did that.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, tow sheet.
Maso, we're waiting for a female officer so she can fix everything there. I'm gonna go make contact with Castellano to see what.
Right, I heard something when he got here too.
Yeah, I gotta. Huh? He's good.
Yeah, it was just the car. He wasn't in the car.
Oh, he wasn't in the
She
car.
backed up, and I think all that is from his bump, his foot.
Okay. So we're gonna need a 17 report.
Okay, I'll do a search.
Okay. So just wait here, Mike. Whenever you're ready, so I can get your side of the story, and then I'll go over there.